We're talking coatings today. And we're not just talking about the kind you like to dip your ice cream cone in. We're talking commercial or flat roof coatings and figuring out which is the right one for your flat roof or commercial roof here in Metro Detroit. So the first thing you have to know about when we talk about coatings for low slope or flat roofing is that there are four main types of coatings out on the market. Number one is silicone. It is extremely popular here in Metro Detroit due to the weather and some other environmental factors. It's one of the most popular ones that we do. Number two, you have acrylic. Again, very popular. Not quite as much so here in Metro Detroit, much more popular out west in the dry, arid climates. And that's because unlike silicone, that is moisture cured, the acrylic is actually air cured. So just a fundamental difference between those two. Number three, you have aluminum coatings or coatings that would go on a asphalt or modified roof. And number four, polyurethane. Again, those are more typical in a foam application roofing system. Not nearly as popular again here in Michigan. Smaller percentage of buildings that's applicable to, but it is important to know that it's out there. The one piece I do want to articulate, and we're going to go deeper into all four of these on the pros and cons in later episodes to really peel back the layers of the onion for you. But with the aluminum coatings, it's very important to know, are not a leak prevention system. That is a roof life extension system, whereas the other ones are meant to be actual, what we would call liquid membranes, or very commonly termed roof restoration. So what are the keys to knowing what's the right application for your building? Well, it really comes down to the inspection and evaluation process. And the key here is doing a really, really thorough diagnostic and inspection of your current existing roofing system on your building, because the one thing that will break all of these systems down is moisture trapped within your current roofing system. It's why the number one thing we would recommend to you is making sure your roofing specialist or the roofing company you're planning to hire has done a very thorough moisture evaluation of that roofing system. This can be done in different ways. The way we do it here at Kanga Roof is through a thermal imaging, so we can actually see with the difference in temperatures where, if any, water is within the current system, because that doesn't mean you can't do it. It just means we have to get that moisture out before the actual coating is put on. The other critical part in coatings, and it's why coatings have gotten a bad rap very often, is because the key to a successful coating is not necessarily in its application, it is in the prep and the detail work. That fundamentally is what you're paying for, and it is why you can see such crazy variances in pricing when you're looking at proposals for coatings for your building. A contractor who skips on the prep work, on that inspection, and puts a coating on your building that really shouldn't be there is quite literally like flushing a large sum of money right down the drain. These coatings, for the most part, do come with warranties that are offered to you as the building owner, but what they don't cover is if they're installed on the wrong system or in the wrong way. So you can spend a lot of money, purchase a warranty, but if you choose the contractor who's just putting coatings on anything, that warranty is not going to be worth the paper it's written on, because it was installed on a system it never should have been on, and the warranty will be invalid. So if you're thinking about a coating, we would love to help you. We will come out and do the legwork, do that evaluation, do that infrared thermal scanning to make a determination if a coating is the right application for you, and if so, which of these four different types is the best solution for you. Hey, we may also determine we have other solutions for you besides coating that may deliver a better end result. If you'd like our help, you can always give us a call at 586-566-0308. As always, skip the line, book online on our website at www.kanga-roof.com. And if you like this content, if you're finding it beneficial, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. As always, I really hope you enjoyed this video today. I know we enjoyed sharing it with you. And most of all, I hope you have a Kangerific day.